It takes a lot to run a successful veterinary practice. Tracking revenue, expenses, and overall budget and profitability are crucial to keep your practice going. The American Veterinary Medical Association has designed a tool exclusive to AVMA members that lets you compare your profit and loss statement with similar practices. The interactive calculator tool provides a breakdown of various monthly expenses and revenue sources, along with benchmarks, so you can identify opportunities to change spending patterns, develop new revenue, optimize how to use your team, or make other improvements to increase profitability and stay competitive. Get started at avma.org/plcalculator.